Okay, last but not least, table 11-8, the liver. There are 4 lobes of the liver. The biggest one is the right lobe, and this is the left lobe. So this is what you see if you're looking into the anterior view of the abdominal cavity. If you flip it over and look at the back, you'll see here this is the inferior vena cava, and this is the gallbladder where bile is stored. And between the this fissure right here and the gallbladder is the quadrate lobe, and between this fissure and the inferior vena cava is the caudate lobe. So however you remember those two, I don't know, but I just always remember somehow that the quadrate is next to the gallbladder. So there is this fibrous membrane that is between the right and the left lobes that comes down, separates the 2 lobes, and then coils in on itself. The part between the 2 lobes is called the falciform ligament, and where it coils in on itself at the bottom is called the round ligament. So you can also see the falciform ligament from the back. So where things are entering and exiting the liver is called the porta hepatis. So the 3 different parts of the porta hepatis is this vessel right here, which is the hepatic portal vein. And then we have the hepatic artery proper. And then here we have the common hepatic duct. So those 3 structures are coming in and out of the liver in the porta hepatis. And I'll show you this in another view. So this picture, if you remember, is where we learned the hepatopancreatic ampulla and the papilla. So this picture right here is showing you the gallbladder. So these 2 tubes right here are coming from the gallbladder, or from the liver. So bile is being produced in the liver, and it's being sent down through the right and the left hepatic ducts. They merge together to form the common hepatic duct. And that is what you're seeing in the porta hepatis on that model, is this little segment right here. So where the bile is going to enter into the gallbladder, this is actually a 2-way street because you've got bile coming in, being stored, and then being sent out when we need it. So this little 2-way street is called the cystic duct. And so if there is a gallbladder on the liver model, the tube that's connecting to the gallbladder is called the cystic duct. And then where the cystic duct and the common hepatic duct merge together is the common bile duct. And the way that I remember hepatic versus bile is the hepatic duct is closer to the liver. So hepatic stands for liver. That's how I remember which one is hepatic and which one is bile. So the common bile duct is what merges with the main pancreatic duct of the pancreas to form the hepatopancreatic ampulla. There's also another little accessory duct right here. So that this is the accessory pancreatic duct right here.